real-time tracking of route trains for production supply at the Infodays warehouse and transportation management.
Welcome to our SAP Extended Warehouse Management Showcase. We show you today how route trains are used for production supply.
Integrated to SAP Extended Warehouse Management, centimeter-precise tracking with Intranav helps to automate processes in real time.
We extended the real-time tracking of route trains with a 3D visualization of the warehouse, which you see on the left screen.
The showcase provides a 3D view of the current warehouse and production activities to support warehouse operators.